Hi kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Yes kids? Right, very good. So, in our last class, we have solved some riddles. Have you enjoyed, children? Yes, very good. So, today we are going to learn one story. Are you ready, children? Okay. Now, we will be reading a story of two garden creatures. Are you ready, beta? Okay, I will show you now picture. Look at this picture and tell me what you can see in this picture, beta. Yes, very good. The ant and the grasshopper. Yes, so the ant and the grasshopper. What is the story name? The ant and the grasshopper. Yes, very good. Kids, we all love listening to stories. Yes? Yes. Without waiting, we will start our story. Okay? Let's enjoy the story. The story name is The Ant and the Grasshopper. So what happened in the story? We'll see now. It was a bright sunny day. How was the day, beta? You can see in this picture. It was a bright sunny day. Who is he? Sun. So how was the day? It was a bright sunny day. The happy grasshopper was hopping and singing. You can see here. Who is there here? Grasshopper. So what grasshopper is doing here? Grasshopper was hopping and singing. Nicely he was enjoying. Right? So next what happened in the story? We will see now. In this picture what you can see, beta? Ants and grasshopper also there here. Yes. So an ant passed by. It was carrying a piece of corn to the ant hill. So this ant was carrying piece of corn. Where this ant is carrying, beta? Yes, to the ant hill. This is the ant hill. Okay. So it looked hot and tired. See, this ant was very tired because it was a bright sunny day, no? So how it will be? It is very hot. So the ant was very tired. Okay. When the ant was carrying a piece of corn, the grasshopper is seeing from here. Yes, you can see here. Grasshopper is seeing from here. The next what happened? Grasshopper is talking with ant. You can see here. Grasshopper is talking with ant. So what grasshopper is saying here? We'll see. Why don't you come and sing with me? Said the grasshopper. So what grasshopper is saying to ant? Why don't you come and sing with me? And why don't you come and play with me? So what grasshopper is saying? Why don't you come and sing with me? And why don't you come and play with me? It's such a nice summer day. So what grasshopper is saying to ant? It was a very nice summer day. So why don't you come and sing and play with me? So asking to ant. Who is asking here? Grasshopper. Yes. To whom grasshopper is asking, beta? To ant. Yes, very good. So what ant replied? Here we'll see. I'm storing up food for winter, said the ant. So what ant is replied here? I am storing up food for the winter. Winter means winter season. So what ant is doing here? Ant is collecting food for winter season. And what ant is saying more? And so should you? There will be nothing to eat when the snow comes. So ant is saying I am storing food for winter season and there will be nothing to eat when snow comes. So in winter season how it will be, but outside in the morning snow will fall, right? So ant is saying when winter season will come, there is nothing to eat when the snow comes, no? So that's what I am collecting food for winter. The next, why think about winter now? Said the grasshopper. We have got plenty of food. It's summer. So grasshopper is saying to ant. What grasshopper is saying, beta? Why think about winter now? Why are thinking about winter season? Now it is summer season only. Now we have plenty of food. So we will eat that food and we will enjoy now. So why are worrying? Why are thinking about winter season? Who is saying here? Grasshopper. To whom, beta? To ant. Yes, very good. So after listening grasshoppers, did ant stop collecting food, beta? No, yes. But the ant kept working hard. You can see. Ant did not stop and working hard. All the other helper ants worked hard too. You can see all the other ants also working here. So all are together, they are working. Means all are carrying that piece of corn and collecting. Right? So next, finally what happened? Finally the winter came. So next what happened, beta? Finally the winter season came. The grasshopper couldn't have any food. He was very hungry. You can see here. So finally the winter season have come. Then grasshopper is not having anything to eat. But the ants were not hungry. They were eating all the corn. They were eating all the corn from the summer. So what happened here? When the winter season came, grasshopper is not having any food to eat and he was very hungry. But ants are hungry, beta? No, they have so much food to eat. They were not hungry. Yes, because they have collected food, no? In summer season only? Yes, so ants are not hungry. They were eating all the corn from the summer, you can see. Right? The grasshopper, no, it is best to be prepared. Then grasshopper understood. What grasshopper understood? Before only we should prepare. If we prepare before only, it will be very best. See, when ants are collecting food here, they are storing food for winter season. From summer only they are doing hard work. They are collecting food. So what that time grasshopper is doing? Nicely eating and dancing and singing, enjoying. But ants are enjoyed, beta? No, they did hard work. They collected food for winter season. So when winter come, all the ants are eating nicely. They are not hungry. They have plenty of food to eat. But what happened to grasshopper? Grasshopper is not having any food to eat. Then grasshopper understood. What grasshopper understood, beta? We should be prepared. We should work hard and we should think and be prepared. If grasshopper also worked hard in summer, he collected food in summer for winter season, means now he will also have food to eat. Yes or no? But grasshopper not did like that. He wasted time. He enjoyed. Yes or no? So now he is very hungry. He is not having food, right? So what did you learn from this story, beta? If we do our work every day on time, little by little, we will also be happy like the ant. Yes? If we do our work every day on time, little by little, then we will also be happy like ants. Yes? So kids, you also complete your work on time. Then you will also always be happy like the ant. Okay kids? Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.